What's up, everybody? Welcome to the SparkTech channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Matt straps from Matt's Off-Road Recovery. As you can see there, these things are awesome so far. Have the little protectors that just slide around the strap. Super easy to use. I just look at there, probably not the best, but it works great. And this Ranger weighs 4,100 pounds, and we just drove like 2 hours one direction, 2 hours back down bumpy roads, and so far they work great. Quality's really good. Haven't had any issues. The ratchet looks perfect. So yeah, 10 out of 10. And with the straps, you get these 4 little protectors, and they are Velcro. See if I can get it with one eye. But you can just open it up. Whenever your strap is like that, you just open it up, put it around it, Velcro it back, and then that protects it from tearing through your strap if it was to be around anything that could be sharp or vibrate against it. And then you can just replace these, from my understanding. And then it comes with this nice little bag with some clips on the front. So super nice. Let's get them bunched up. Drop them on in. And they're ready for the next time.